Hey everyone, welcome to my Toronto diaries. What better way to kickstart this vlog series documenting my time here in Toronto than by sharing an apartment tour. So I'm gonna walk you guys through this gorgeous apartment that I'm staying in for the next 2-ish, 3-ish weeks. If you guys didn't watch my last video, it is my friend's apartment and I'm staying here while he's in Italy before he comes back for the holidays. It's a bit pricey, obviously, as expected by Toronto, but it is the top floor of a house, so it is a lot of space, more space than I'm used to. Everything is furnished by him, so I don't know where anything's from, but there's so much character and charm in this place. I'm so grateful to be here, and let's start with the tour. We're just gonna walk through the whole space. It's gonna be a very casual apartment tour, so let's go. Starting off with the bedroom. Isn't it so gorgeous with this light right now? There is so much just art and plants in here that I'm obsessed with it. One of the things that I'm obsessed with in this place is his choice of lighting too. Like, look at that lighting fixture. It's amazing. And all of the little, like, I don't know, pieces of art that he has. This is an amazing chandelier, and there's just so many quaint touches in this entire apartment. This is kind of an overview of the bedroom. I love this chair as well. I've been using this tote bag a lot. It's by Marie Young. You deserve all the love in the world, because we all do. I just keep Wolfie's like little baby wipes and his leash in here, and then I have some shoe options that I brought with me. But yeah, this is one of my favorite nooks in here as well, this little plant corner. And then this is the little mirror setup, and this is the closet space. I don't know why I packed so many clothes because I'm only staying for such a short amount of time, but I thought I needed options, so this is everything that I brought with me. It's also been too warm of a winter for me to wear half of these things. Wolfie, you're coming to say hi? Wolfie is such a cat. He loves just snuggling up in this little sunspot. It's so cute. And then on my bedside table, I just have a few of these roses. And then I've been reading I Want to Die But I Want to Eat Tteokbokki, and it's been really good so far. I don't really know what else to say. It's weird doing an apartment tour when it's like not my apartment, but I'm just sharing with you guys how cute everything is. Like, look at this one shot right now. And if you guys are curious, I'm wearing my basic outfit. This is the outfit I wear all the time. Marie Young, I'll leave a link down below. Woven, all ethical, and then my base range trousers. But moving on to in here, this is the first little like living room setup area. I love that this faces the kitchen. And again, so much character here. Ignore my suitcases, there isn't that much storage, but again, love this light fixture. Wolfie's little bowl is here. Yummy. So coming through here again, on the left side is the kitchen. Love this kitchen. He just like renovated everything in here, and I've loved cooking in here. It's so fun. This is my favorite tequila, by the way. I got this, it's small batch, and it supports these like tequila makers in Mexico, and I got it when I was in Tulum. But highly recommend if you guys are over there. Like, actually, it's so good. It doesn't even taste like tequila. I just love like the shelf LED lighting in here. It's just like such a dream kitchen. My favorite, pre-made tteokbokki with cheese. It's like tomato sauce based. Anyway, those are the only things in my kitchen right now. That's so sad. But yes, this is the kitchen and I love it. And then he also has these little floating shelves on this side. I didn't know what this book was until Hannah was like, oh, I really wanted to read this. But it tells you the definitions of like random words, and I really like that. Oil sick, feeling ashamed after revealing a little too much about yourself to someone, allowing them to clear a view of your pettiness, your anger, your cowardness, your childlike vulnerability, wishing you could somehow take back the moment, discreetly bolting the door after a storm has already blown it off its hinges. That's so fun. Just like little things like this, I'm like, wow, there's so much charm and character. And then I use these to water the plants. Wolfie's little bowl is there, his little carriers here, and his toys are here. Let me give you guys a better view from this angle. So the bedroom is there, kitchen, the bathroom is over here, and then this is, again, this amazing little nook. Every single art piece in here is amazing. I love contemporary art so much, but I have no idea who they're from. So I love this one. I love charcoal on paper too. So special. And this one is one of my favorites. They're little angel babies. I guess they're not babies, but little angels. Having a good time, pleasuring each other. Isn't that so fun? But yeah. And then when we move over here, this is where I was filming my video last time, in front of this gorgeous painting. And then I have more roses here. because I love them. Get yourself flowers, guys. And then I'll show you guys this in a bit, but that is the office. And then we have like an actual like living family room, I guess. And then this is his main entrance. But let's show you guys the washroom because I am in love with this washroom. I love the slated storage doors over here. But this is the washroom. So impeccably designed. And I spend maybe 30% of my time in here because I've been going out so much that I get ready so much, or even just like in the shower. But I definitely want to film like a get ready with me video. I want to film an updated skincare routine to show you guys my AM PM routine. So comment down below or like leave a like on those comments if you want those videos so that I can know what order to do them in. And then yeah, but you guys know this is pretty much the skincare right now. But again, just love the lighting in here. It's just like so good. And yeah, the little things in this is my favorite cleanser right now by Crave Beauty. And then Necessaire Body Exfoliator, Leaf Razor, and then my shampoo and conditioner. But that's the washroom. Yeah, Wolfie? Okay, so coming over here, let me give you one more snapshot of this beautiful painting. And then I'll take you guys into where we first started this video, which is this little family room. So there is this gorgeous black fireplace with TV. This is, again, one of my favorite pieces in here by Basner. Hopefully I'm saying that right. No one watered the plants for like a few weeks, so the fig is not doing too hot, but I've been trying to give it love. I've been trying to give all the plants love in here. This one's one of my favorites. And this little mirror. And I think this is a fake Eames chair. It's so comfortable, absolutely love it. And then one of my other favorite things about this place is this little like jade box, but it just holds the remotes. But I really want to find something similar. It's so cute. But yeah, there's just such intentional design here. Like look at that little vent. It just like matches so well. I love this media storage. And then again, just like those vents down there, so cute. And yeah, that's kind of it with this room. So let's go back to the office. Look at how cute this door is and this little plant. But I'm gonna let Wolfie in, otherwise he'll start whining. Hi, baby boy. So this is the little office. I work here. He has so many books and I love all of the quirks in here. I especially love this little guy. And Lucky Cat, obviously. Teddy does like theater and stuff, so you can see a lot of remnants of that in this room. And then, ooh, I just noticed that there are crystals here. I love that. I have my tarot deck here. I have, you know, all of my other random things in here. And this is the cover of the book that I'm reading, which I would recommend to you guys after I finish reading it. But that's basically it. I guess I should have filmed me in some of these clips, but this is the office. This is another view of the office. You'll see me walking around this place a lot, actually. You'll see the dining table, you see this living room, and the light is just so gorgeous right now in here. I'm actually living for this. And then this little space with the kitchen. And then we finish it in the bedroom. This gorgeous bedroom. I guess we can film the outro in this room because this is also where I spend a lot of my time. I hope you guys enjoyed this little apartment walkthrough, apartment tour of this gorgeous apartment in Toronto. I just thought that this would be a fun way to introduce the Toronto Diaries, and I have been doing a lot of stuff, but I haven't been vlogging it. I guess just like a quick recap of what I've been up to in Toronto. I've been going to the gym a lot. I have these little scabs and like bruises on my fingers because I've been boxing more, but it's been really nice to have a gym that is like a 4-minute walk away, and it feels like I am taking care of my body because I'm moving it more, and it's fun to like walk to the gym. It's fun to feel comfortable at a gym and just have like a really good community there. It's nice to walk around the streets or drive around and see so much diversity and different people. That's been something that I've been craving a lot. And even just the ability to randomly, spontaneously do things in the evenings after work, or if I have had a long day, to be able to decompress by going out and getting a glass of wine and seeing live jazz. Spotify recommended me a show at the Drake last night, so I went to see Zach, Zoya, and Name.
Every time I think of joy, I lose a little. Trying to fill a void with substances. Not gonna lie, the weight is unbearable. Somebody told me patience, it all don't fit. I think of joy and I lose a little. Trying to fill a void with substances. Not gonna lie, the weight is unbearable.
We're both Montreal artists, I think, and that was super fun. Just like going out, taking myself places. It's just like so fun because I've just missed, I don't know, being able to randomly do things and go with the flow of my energy. That's kind of all that's really happened so far, is spending a lot of time with like Hannah in the city, spending a lot of time with my friends in the city, and spending a lot of time just with me. So I feel like that's been a really fun journey so far. And yeah, I'll start trying to vlog more now that Toronto Diaries have officially started. I hope that you love this space as much as I do, and that it was just fun to like see a walkthrough of it. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I'll prioritize those. I am really just sharing a lot of my life with you guys right now. It's a lot of like lifestyle content, but I have major plans to kickstart the sustainability and fashion content in the new year. So I'll chat with you guys more about that in my next few videos, but I'm putting my brain to work and I'm like brainstorming a lot of stuff. So I hope you guys are excited about that too. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling, otherwise it's gonna be a really long video, and I meant for it to just be a really short walkthrough of the place. But I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next video. The other thing is I might stay in Toronto from January to February as well. I might share a loft with Hannah, my bestie, and I'm really excited about that. I went to see it yesterday, just the area, and I stumbled upon these art galleries that I've been meaning to visit for so long, these like contemporary art galleries. They were literally down the block, and I felt like it was so meant to be. Just like little serendipitous moments like that, where like my friends were out and they were like, hey, do you want to come at like 11 p.m? And it was just so nice to see them and be able to like hug them and feel so connected to like my friends in the world. So yeah, anyway, those are all the things. I guess there's been a lot of stuff happening, but I'm gonna go edit this video so that I can get it out to you guys today, and gonna go maybe make some food. So I'll document that in my next Toronto Living Alone Diaries. But yeah, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.